Hi friend, today we will learn how to use WRAPROWS and WRAPCOLS function in Excel. So this is new Excel formula available for Office 365 which will be available in other versions very soon. So basically the WRAPCOLS and WRAPROWS function converts a one-dimensional array into a two-dimensional array by wrapping values into separate columns or rows. So let's see some example of it. First we will see WRAPROWS vector is my array of data. So this is my array comma wrap count. After how many data I want to wrap this into rows. So 1 2 3 4. My data is changing after each 4 records, so I will put 4. So you can see my data is wrapped into rows, 1 2 3 4 rows. After 4 it goes to second rows. And you can also see some errors here, like quantity and total is not available for Apple because it's blank here. So if you wish to add some default thing here, we can do it. It's called pad with. So if you want to write no data available, no data, so it will show no data here. We can also put blank here if we wish to. So let's put this into blank. Now it's blank here. So this was wrap row function. Let's see wrap columns function. It's very similar to wrap rows. Here data is wrapped into columns. Wrap calls. Vector is my array of data. So this is here, comma. It's asking for wrap count. After how many records it should wrap into column. So 1 2 3 4. After 4 records I want to wrap it, so I put 4. Now you can see my data is wrapped into columns after each 4 records. And you can also see error here because data is not available for these two, quantity and total. So we can convert this error into blank or anything we require using pad with. So I want to show no data here, no data, close. So now you can see my error is converted into no data. So this was all about wrap rows and wrap columns function in Excel. This is very useful when we get some raw data in this format and we want to clean it. It takes lots of time, but using these two function wrap rows and wrap columns we can easily clean the data. So thank you guys for watching. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel.